Same trap. I think this is the same trap we got last time. See what I'm saying? Get some shrimp in there. One of my favorite fish. All right, it's time, buddy. It's time for you to go in your house. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. We are inside the fish room, and I just wanted to tell everyone before we started today's video, this video is sponsored by API. Y'all know we love API. It is the most trusted aquatics brand in the industry for almost 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your aquarium or pond. Now, API offers a range of test kits, water conditioners, fish medications, and what we have a lot of, nutritional products to help consumers create the most natural habitat for their underwater world. Look at all these tanks supported by API. Bam, bam, bam. API offers treatments for your fish tanks that work in junction with one another, making maintenance quick and easy. The new product here, API Aqua Essential, is an all-in-one, highly concentrated aquarium water conditioner that instantly makes tap water safe for fish by removing chlorine, chloramine, and detoxifies heavy metals found in tap water. Use Aqua Essential when your water quality is degraded, and it will detoxify ammonia, nitrate, nitrate to provide a more suitable environment for your fish and aquatic animals. And don't forget to add this once a week. Stress Zyme. This is going to consume the sludge and reduce the aquarium maintenance. Also, add some of this right here, Stress Coat. Super self-explanatory, helps reduce stress on fish. Always make sure to test your aquarium water using API's master test kits to help prevent problems that could be harmful to your fish or cause fish loss. You can buy all API products, including the new Aqua Essential, on Amazon. Click the link down below. I mean, do I even have to explain myself on why I love these products so much? I'm going to anyway, actually. The most important reason in why I continue to use API is because simply, it works. There's no point in wasting your time getting anything else. API is the way to go. I use them all the time throughout almost every single video. Now go get 20% off all API products using my discount code APIAquarium20 at checkout on Chewy. That is 20% off using code APIAquarium20. Link is down below, and without further ado, enjoy the video. We're at the bait and tackle shop. This is the only tackle shop around us that has these traps. So these are the bigger ones. These are like, you put these off your dock and actually put bait fish in them from above right here like this. And then the fish could stay alive with fresh water going through their gills, and the next morning you net them out and you fish with them. We don't need that though. We need something different, and that's inside. Those traps outside were a little big. These traps are a bit different though. This is what we're looking for right here. These smaller ones. We did a video just like this a couple months ago. Actually, I think it was over a year ago. Blew up, over 1 million views, so we're back at it. We're doing the same exact thing again, except for switching up a little bit different. We have a same trap. I think this is the same trap we got last time. We insert our bait through here. So we put the bait that we're gonna use to attract the fish. The fish will go through these holes and not know how to get back out. Then we see what we could bring home for aquarium. Now I decided we're actually gonna get a net too. We're gonna get a net right here. That way, while we're snorkeling, we can actually net invertebrates, different things that are in the ocean. While waiting on our trap to catch fish, we're netting fish. See what I'm saying? That one's a little expensive though. Let's get a little bit cheaper one, huh? $6.99. That's more like it, not $15. Buy 2 of these. You want one, Chris? Sure. They got live shrimp back here too. Look at all the live shrimp. What if we got some live shrimp to put in it? That would be good. You don't think they'll escape? They probably will. We'll have to just stick with dead bait. I think we're gonna get like chunk sardine or something. The shrimp might bring in the most action though. Probably about all we need, right? Yeah. You just get 2 just in case. Maybe we'll get some squid. This is some squid's always good. Yeah. Fish love squid and shrimp. Best baits. We got it all. We're set to go. Squid, shrimp dog, 2 nets.
Lucky nets.
Yep.
That's it.
That's it. Fish trap, bait, nets. Go to the water now. We're here. We're at the bridge. Guys, it's gonna be epic. It's not as clear as I thought it was gonna be, but it's pretty clear. Look at that squid right there. Oh, we got a full squid. Look at it, a full squid. Calamari, you want some calamari? Here, Cuffaro, take some.
I'm rapping last time.
Yeah, when I ate, oh my gosh, I don't think I mentioned that. That otter video, tried a piece of calamari, roll the clip. I gotta try it. If he tried it, I gotta try it, right?
No, I'm not a fan. Tastes like bait.
That is the worst thing I've ever eaten in my entire life. Dude, I was puffing. My whole face was like this big after that day. So I know never to eat this again. Here's the rope that's gonna be floating. Pop this open right here. Put our squid in. You literally just throw it right in. Open up our bag of shrimp. Get some shrimp in there. That's a good amount of bait. That's like a lot more than we need.
Yeah.
Close it up. Just like that, we have our trap with our bait inside. Now, let's see if any fish want to become victims of going through this hole and getting stuck. Here we go. Looks like it's not getting flown away by the current. It's just chilling right there on the bottom. Perfect. Now we're gonna suit up. See if we can get some fish. Whew, it's a little tough swimming without fins here, but we're good to go. All right, update. Our trap is down there at the bottom right now. We have one fish in it. I think it's some sort of snapper, that's for sure. There's a bunch of fish surrounding it, but we're having a problem with that bait just hitting the side of the cage, and the fish are eating it from the outside of the cage. Now we're waiting for all the fish to get in the cage. The whole goal is to get them through those holes and stay in the cage. It's a little bit harder than I thought, but I guess that's part of making videos like this. Something different. We run into challenges. We're gonna have to figure out a way to maybe tie those baits down in the middle of the cage. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I just wanted to update you guys that there is one fish in the trap and hopefully more going in here in just a little bit. All right, we got a fish. Not something that we can keep.
Maybe eat.
We could eat if it was big enough. Come here. Look at that. A little snapper. This is not what we're looking for, so we're gonna put him back. So long, brother. Fish number one. Dog snapper, I believe is what they're called. We just pretty much reloaded our ammo. Now we're sending her back out. Except for this time, we're gonna go to a different spot, somewhere with less current. All right, spot number two, absolute bust. There's nothing down there. I think we're gonna move down this way a little bit more, see what I can find. This spot has a lot of fish, so I think spot three should be right here. It's over there. Found some fishing line and a hook on it at the end. We also got bait. So you know what that means. While we're waiting on our fish trap, get a piece of shrimp right here and put this on the hook. See if you can catch a fish underwater. Right through. Save another one in my pocket. Let's go catch a fish underwater. I lost one. There's a snapper. They ate it off. They ate it right off. Oh, a little goby. Dude, we could put that in my tank. That's the perfect size goby. They sell that exact fish at the fish store. Oh, he got a coral banded. Dude, Hannah's over there slaying her. Oh, for real. Look at how pretty that is. Let it go. Caught a grunt. Look at him in there. All right, let me show you. It's one of my favorite fish. Look how pretty. Look at how pretty that fish is right there. Oh, don't, no, no. I'm gonna show you its mouth. Look how red the inside of these things' mouths are. Look at that. They got a big bottom lip and everything. Second species we call. That means we got a snapper and a grunt. And now with the rest of the bait, we throw it in and let the fish have a nice fish feast. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a stud. That is a stud. Look at all those eggs. I'm gonna let this one go. It's because she's pregnant. But cool, awesome. Einar, in the water bottle.
Yep.
Is our little, oh geez, hopefully I don't drop it. Is our little tiny, now I don't know, I thought it was a goby. It's not, it's actually something else. I want to go to Andy's shop. I will research it prior, and this is exactly what fish it is. Sorry, I don't know it off the top of my head. I'm still getting used to the saltwater thing, but he's perfect size, very small. Our 20-gallon is going to enjoy him a lot. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna do that.
Yep.
He slayed it, dude. He got 2 coral banded shrimp and a little fish that I don't know the name of. See ya in the fish room. Back at the fish room, and look, our little musk. That is one of my favorite things I've ever done on my channel. And y'all loved it. Y'all loved that video. Anyway, we're here. We have our saltwater tank right here. If you are new to the channel, we have 2 clownfish in here, an arrow crab, a cleaner shrimp, and exactly what Einar caught at the bridge, as you can see under there. There's Patrick, our starfish, and there's one Mexican turbo snail and the other turbo snail's up there eating algae. Acclimating in the back of my filter. This pond just looks so good, man. The black really made it look poppin'. Look at that. Sheesh. This tank is looking good. I have not seen my goby. Now I don't know if it just hides, because when I feed, the shrimp goes everywhere. So I don't know if the goby just hides that I got that, or when I first put it in, it didn't make it. One of the two. I have not seen it yet, but there's a lot of holes under these rocks. All those are different holes, and they look like they were made recently, so he could be having like a full mansion under there right now that we don't know about. He's got some El Chapo tunnels down there we don't know about. All right, it's time, buddy. It's time for you to go in your house. Let me get a net so I don't get this water in. Dude, that thing is cool.
It is.
I just dropped in some marine flakes right there, and they're all just going nuts. Look at him. Look at him, he's grabbing the flakes off the surface. Look how sick that is, bro. I have never seen one do that. Oh, he got one. That is so cool.
It's like he's walking.
I know, he's literally walking upside down. There's our new fish right over there in the back. Look how cool he is. He's kind of just hanging out. He's got plenty of space to swim into and hide. We got a new fish. I hope he does good. This is a project that we're gonna be finishing soon, I promise. Filter is on order, it's coming, it's on the way. I wanna thank every single one of you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. If you wanna see more fish trap videos, saltwater videos, whatever that may be, let me know what it is down in the comments down below. I'll be reading through all the comments. If you wanna see fish trap part 2, we actually go out maybe on a more clearer day and in a different location with a lot more reef, colorful fish, smash that like button. If this video hits 25,000 likes, I will go and do that. Cuffaros, I love you, and I'll see you right back here in that next video. Peace!